Local news for Thursday the 7th of June. Spending in May through the Payward network has seen Wairarapa gain an increase of 10.3%, one of the stronger growth areas in New Zealand for May this year compared to May last year. May 2018 shows an increase of just under 10% in spending. Buses will be replacing most weekend services on the Wairarapa line this weekend between Upper Hutt and Masterton. This is to allow for maintenance to be carried out. And Wairarapa Bush CEO Tony Hargood will be involved in a working group led by Jim Bolger looking at establishing fair pay agreements. Minister for Workplace Relations and Safety, Ian Lees-Galloway, says fair pay agreements will establish a framework for the employers and employees to work closely and constructively to lift wages and productivity. And in sport and Prem 1 netball tomorrow night at 6, Waikol take on Gladstone at Chenell College, followed by Celtic and St Matthews. Saturday's Prem games see Carterton playing Harcourts. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.